Some hope for a little bit of rain in the forecast today, but a better chance of rain as we head into next week. So right now in our satellite radar imagery, we are seeing a few of those spotty showers, a few clouds out there this morning. Temperatures in the mid 70s inland, closer to 80 along the coast, 85 degrees right now at the beach. We're at 79 in Corpus Christi. So taking a closer look at our radar imagery, you can see these showers are weakening mostly offshore. So not a whole lot of activity expected inland until we get a little bit closer to the lunch hour. But right now in your day planner, it's too big to fit, but there is a chance we still could see some tropical funnels out there today, and it is still hot. So we are going to see sunshine for the most part this afternoon and evening. Temperatures still topping out in the mid 90s with heat index values nearing 110. So it is going to be rather hot out there today. Wind will be light and variable, mostly out of the east though, and it'll stay around 15 miles per hour or less. So we see that chance of tropical funnels because our wind is light and we still have a decent amount of moisture, especially in the low levels of the atmosphere. Those two things are signs that those tropical funnels are possible, especially with our scattered storm action possible. High pressure slides off to the east, and then we start to tap into some deeper tropical moisture as that system tries to develop there in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, the Bay of Campeche. So you'll see we start to notice some darker greens showing up in our moisture as we head into next week, especially the middle of next week. But we're keeping the moisture in our region, trying to push that dry air out as we head even into Thursday of next week. So looking at the map closer, when we take a look at our precipitation, there's those spotty showers mostly along the coast, and then they'll shift a little inland into the afternoon. But that's because of the flow around that high pressure bringing in that Gulf moisture. As we continue into the weekend, the high kind of pushes a little bit further south and will likely keep us slightly drier into Saturday. But then Sunday is when we start to notice some of that Gulf moisture mixing in, and by Monday we have a warm front that's lifting north and weakening that really kicks off our chance of rainfall across the Texas coast. So Monday evening we see that rain that continues off and on. Now there's a couple of caveats to the forecast. It depends on how tight this area of low pressure gets. A more broad region of low pressure, that's a better scenario for the coastal bend. The tighter this feature gets, the heavier the rainfall is around it, and we might miss some of that rain heading into next week. So we want this system to not develop too strong. Right now, the National Hurricane Center does show signs of it reaching at least a tropical depression. For our wave forecast, our wave heights are going way up as we head into next week. That will also create a dangerous conditions at the beach with higher surf and stronger rip currents that can take you further out to sea quite easily. So use caution if you have plans or you know somebody heading to the beach, especially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday of next week. The weekend shouldn't be too bad, but waves will be going up into Sunday. Temperatures, there's that cool down. We're talking upper 80s with that rainfall in the region.